Hello there. Today we are going to learn about factors. Factors are integers that can be multiplied together to get another integer. For example, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now why is that? Because 1 into 6 gives us 6. What other numbers can be multiplied together to get 6? 2 into 3 gives us 6. So each number has at least two factors, 1 and the number itself. In this case, 1 and 6. When finding the factors of a number, we start with 1 and the number itself. First ask yourself, what numbers can be multiplied together to get that number? Every number greater than 1 has at least two factors. Why is that? Because every number can be divided by 1 and itself. Let's try one more to gain more understanding of factors. Factors of 9 would be 1, 3 and 9. If we multiply 1 and 9, we get 9. If we multiply 3 and 3, we also get 9. Again, every number has at least two factors, 1 and the number itself. In this case, 1 and 9. Now that we know what factors are, let's move on to our next topic, which is prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Example of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and the list goes on. Let's see why that is the case. Let's take 2 for example. The factors of 2 are 1 times 2, because 1 times 2 gives us 2. And since there are only two factors of number 2, we'll call it a prime number. Similarly, 7 has only two factors, 1 and 7, because 1 times 7 gives us 7. Since there are only two factors of number 7, we'll call it a prime number as well. Let's take a look at a word problem to see how factors can be used in real life. We are asked to arrange 12 chairs for a class of students at school. What are the different ways of chairs can be arranged so that each row has the same number of chairs? Well, we can solve this problem by finding the factors of 12, because the factors will tell us how many rows of chairs we can have, as well as how many chairs will be in each row. Now think what numbers can be multiplied together to get 12. 1 times 12 gives us 12. 2 times 6 gives us 12. 3 times 4 also gives us 12. Now that we have all these combination of factors, let's see how we can use them to arrange the chairs. Taking first combination of 1 and 12, we can have one row of 12 chairs. Taking the second combination of 2 and 6, we can have 2 rows of 6 chairs. And similarly, with the third combination of 3 and 4, we can have 3 rows of 4 chairs. But wait, we are not done yet. We also can swap these numbers in the combination to get more arrangements. For example, instead of saying 3 times 4, we also can say 4 times 3, which is the same thing, but it gives us a different arrangement like this. Similarly, we can swap the numbers in the other combinations as well. After swapping 2 and 6, we get another arrangement like this. And finally, after swapping 1 and 12, we get another arrangement like this. So I hope with this example, you can see how factors can be used to solve real life problems. Now, it's time to check on learning. Here are some questions for you to try out on your own. Give it a shot and drop your answers in the comments below. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Keep practicing, keep learning. See you in the next one. Take care.